Hello guys, here is another video that I will show you today, but this video is different. It will not be cooking as what I usually do. Today I will be unboxing Samsung Galaxy earbuds. The Samsung Galaxy earbuds was launched and released around March last year. We all know that Apple released their first ever Apple AirPods last 2016, and people are raving about it. Even it's a bit pricey for a Bluetooth earphone. The price was $159, and last year Samsung also released their new wireless earphones, which they called Samsung Galaxy earbuds. Actually, they already have the Samsung Gear Icon X last 2016, but seems like it did not appeal that much in the market. So last 2019 they released the new version of it, and that's the Samsung Galaxy earbuds. It appears that these earbuds it's cheaper than the previous Gear Icon X. The price of the earbuds is $129.99, while the Gear Icon X was $199.99. It's really big difference actually. And now let's proceed to our Galaxy earbuds. Here is the box. It's how it look like from outside. Buds. Let's see what's written here. Here they mention 6 hours playtime, clear call quality, wireless charging, designed for comfort and stability. So let's see. So now let's open it and see what's inside the box. I actually got it. Okay, I open it, but now we're gonna open it to show you guys what's inside exactly. So here we open here. So first thing here we have the case, but let's check the other things here. Here is the USB charging cable. As you can see here, it's already USB Type-C connector. Here we also have an extra 2 pairs of ear tips and wing tips. So the ear tips comes with 2 different size, small and large, and definitely the medium will be inside here. So here the 2 large, and here the 2 small. And here the wing tips. And guys, I suggest you to check those tips and try it on and see what will perfectly fit in your ears to have more comfortable and nicer experience of the buds. And here there is the manual. Here is the manual. Let's open it. Let's check what's inside. So here to show you how to charge it. They mention everything there. It's English. Here it's written in Arabic. So all the language actually they mention here, this I don't know, Chinese or whatever. And this is the charging case. As you can see, it is a capsule-like shaped case. A bit heavy, but it's fine. It looks nice. You can put it in your pocket, you know. It looks really great. Different than the Icon X. It was more bigger. I have very bad experience actually with the Icon X. It's more longer and it is, you know, heavy, and when you put it on the buds, it's not comfortable, you know. It's very, you know, very bad. You can see here the Samsung logo. Let's open it. Here the buds. So in the box there is a light indicator here. I think if it will give us green means fully charged, orange means charging, and red it means low bat. You can see here the buds. It looks cute, looks very light, very small and tiny. It's like when you put it in your ear, it's like you cannot really see it like the Icon X was bigger. We can see here the letter R means right, definitely. For the other one it's L, means left. Nice. And there is like sensor here. I think maybe if you remove it, it will be disconnected. Really, it looks nice. I like it better than the Icon X, to be honest. So that's it, guys. Our Samsung Galaxy earbuds. I hope you find this video helpful, and please do subscribe to my channel and check out my next video. I will be soon give my review about these earbuds by the Gatswheel, and see you.